Testing, 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 testes. Anything? Bueller? Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and this week I am doing just a very short video. This is a giveaway. It's been a while since I've done a giveaway. This time I'm doing a complete setup. So, backstory. The stuff I'm giving away was donated to me by a longtime friend, somebody I graduated high school with. He got into model cars and decided life, motorcycles, everything kind of got in the way. So he wanted it to go to somebody who could use it. And he approached me, asked me if I could give them away and make sure that it goes to someone who really could use that. And I can't emphasize that enough. So what I want to do is give away two items. And it's kind of they go together. So I've got a mini compressor with the gun that comes with it, which works, but you know, maybe to get started it's fine. I would probably get another gun and a spray booth. Pictures are right here, and it's perfect for anybody who's getting started. Actually, it's perfect for me. I need a spray booth. Mine shit the bed. So the goal again is to give it to somebody. You know, I see a lot of people with comments how they're just getting started, they want to get into it. They maybe live in an apartment, or where they live is cold, like where I live, except for right now it's hot as balls, and you know, you can't paint outside because they're using rattle cans. This is the perfect setup. It's what I use, it's what I've been using. I think it's going to be something that can be very useful to somebody. I'm hoping that people are honest enough to fulfill the requirements of this giveaway, which is going to be very simple, and I'll outline it in a second, and be honest. I don't want this to go to somebody who's already got a spray booth, who's already got a gun, who's already got a compressor, or worst case, best case, goes to somebody who maybe had one and it broke and they can't afford a new one. That's fine, but guys, be honest. You know, this is for somebody who is trying to get into the hobby and just needs that little bit extra. And there's nothing wrong with rattle cans, there's nothing wrong with painting outside. I still do it on occasion, but this stuff does come in handy. So it's a very simple contest. All I need you to do is comment down below, and you know, I need it. That's it. Type in the words, I need it. As long as that's anywhere in your conversation or what you type, the sorting crap that I use to filter out comments and randomize will automatically select that. Please only comment once. I will give this away next week, and let's call it, I don't even know what today is. Today is Saturday, hold on a second. I don't even know the dates. Everything kind of blends in together as you get older. Today's the 26th. So let's say next Saturday. I think Wednesday's the 4th of July weekend. So we'll give it away next Saturday, 4th of July weekend. I'll pick somebody. It'll be another short video. I'll do it live so you can see. I'll record the screen anyway so you can see it randomly pick somebody, so that way I don't get accused of anything. But guys, if you need this, please, this is a great opportunity. It's a game changer if you haven't used an airbrush before. So this is ideal. It's brand new. I think he might have used the gun and compressor once, maybe, and that's pushing it. I don't even think that. I couldn't find any signs of wear, but it's got the regulator on it and everything. The booth is brand new. So I will pay shipping. The only thing is if you live overseas, if you can pitch in for the shipping, that would be extremely helpful. because I was just going to leave this to United States only, which I prefer because it's going to be 2 big boxes. It's going to weigh quite a bit. So shipping's probably going to be 40-50 bucks easy. So if you live overseas, be prepared. I'm gonna ask for a little bit of shipping costs because that's just a lot. It's a big nut to swallow. So anywho, that's it. I hope you guys are having a great summer so far. I hope you have a good 4th of July. I'll catch you next week when I do the announcement. Other than that, take it easy, and I'll catch you on the next one.